So now let's deep dive into the like how do we become from problem solver to problem framer. It's not a problem former, it's a framer. Right? So and then maybe from your experience, do you are you able to collect that? Okay, have you went through this situation where okay, you have solved only problem, but somebody else came and he put it the problem in a such a way, he reframed in such a way that it became much more impactful. Are you able to come up with such examples like that? Okay, maybe I will open up some of your thought process. So you know about Zomato, right? So Zomato, you know how it started? Anybody knows how the Zomato started?
So they started by like creating digital menus for restaurants. Uh,
Exactly. Right. So it started, I think it was name was Foodie Bay or something like that, right? So
yeah.
where when the Dipender and his one more co-founder, they were working in Ben. So they in the cafeterias they saw that okay, why there is a long queues in the cafeterias, right? So then they thought that okay, because the menus which are available that is not sufficient for everybody. So they thought that okay, let me digitize it so that people can just explore it. But was the menu really a problem there? So he built that one and people started using it. But thing is that he did not stop there. What he did that he just and like he was really trying to understand why do people want menus, and he observed that they are not just looking at the menus, they are looking at the menus to decide where they want to eat, where they want to go, right, what they want to eat. So that was the main thing, and that is how the Zomato started. So what he did not just stick to that one problem and he's only solved that and he was not happy with that one. He really reframed the issue. It is not about that what people don't want to see the menu. They want to decide on where they want to, what they want to eat and where they want to eat, right? So this is the change in the thought process. Similarly, if you look at maybe another example about Zerodha. So when the Zerodha opened, like, is it a only fintech application was that time? There were many others. So what exactly Nitin solved the problem?
So they took zero brokerage fee at the time, and I think couple of other things also they did well, like from the accessibility point of view, making it easily accessible and easy to use for the end users as well.
So the issue he was, see, there were many already trading platforms were available in India, right? We had ICICI Direct and all those things. But the thing is that like if you look from the retail investor perspective, he felt that they are not fully like there are huge transaction fees for that one. The thing is that then those customers they really don't understand how the product works or how the tip should be taken, and then often they used to lose the money, and this is the problem. He really thought that. So and so his problem statement was not that I have to enable the trading. His thing was that how do I make the investing more accessible and transparent. So what he did, he just reframed the problem, right? So we need that quality where we are able to really understand what the problem is and then how we can reframe it so that it becomes more usable, right?